Hi everyone! This Independence Day, make this cutest handmade crochet brooch that everyone will fancy. Quick, easy, and perfect to show your patriotic spirit. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, all you need is some weight 3 acrylic yarn. You can also use cotton yarn in 3 colors. With that, I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook, some pearls and beads like this, a brooch pin or safety pin, some glue, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will make this circle first. Wrap this yarn around your two fingers 8 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, insert your hook under this bunch of yarn. Slowly remove the yarn like this. And now take this working yarn to this side and lock it. Now we have this circle now. Now we will make single crochets around this circle. So insert your hook here, yarn over, make a single crochet. Again, single crochet. So repeat the same around. There's no fixed number of single crochets. Just make single crochets around. After making single crochets around, on top of this very first single crochet, we have a chain gap. There, make a slip stitch. And now, make one chain. Insert your hook inside the next chain gap. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again, make one chain. Insert your hook inside the next chain. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1 into the next chain, make a slip stitch. So repeat the same around. Make one chain and make one slip stitch. You can see I made chain 1 slip stitch around. After making slip stitch in the last chain, make one chain. This is the chain 1 we made at the beginning. So at the base you can see a chain gap here. There, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now make one chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. We will now weave this tail, so just pass the yarn through adjacent loops. Just trim the excess yarn and this completes the circle. We will now make this flower. To make the flower, I am taking orange color yarn. We will start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Then wrap this yarn around your two fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape. Insert your hook under this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. And now take this working yarn slowly out of this loop. So this creates a magic circle. After making a magic circle, make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, into the third chain from the hook. So this is where my hook is. This is the first chain, second chain, third chain. We will skip the first 2 stitches and into the third chain here, we will make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the third chain here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, and again yarn over into the next chain, make one more double crochet, and into the next chain we will make one half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once, and into the last chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a single crochet. After that, insert your hook inside the magic circle yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So this completes first petal. Similarly, we will make 4 more. Make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, as usual, into the third chain from the hook, make a double crochet. Again, into the next chain, make a double crochet. We will make 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So into the next chain, make a half double crochet. And into the last chain, we will make a single crochet. After that, insert your hook inside this magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. So this completes the second petal. Similarly, make 3 more. You can see I made 5 petals. And now chain 1, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. And now this is the tail of the magic ring. Just pull the tail of the magic ring and this completes the flower. We will now make this leaf. For that I am taking green color yarn. To make the leaf, we will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Then take this end and twist it once. And then fold it. Now you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. After making a slip knot, make 7 chains. After making 7 chains, into the second chain from the hook. So this is where my hook is. This is first chain. This is second chain. So into the second chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After that, into the next chain, make a single crochet. So insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. And into the next chain, we will make a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. And into the next chain, we will make 1 more half double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook inside the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. And into the next chain here, we will make a single crochet. And into the last chain, we will make a slip stitch. So this completes 1 leaf. Now we will make the second leaf. For that, make 6 chains. As usual, into the second chain from the hook, we will make a slip stitch first. And then into the next chain, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. After that, in this chain gap, so in the last chain of this first leaf, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes the 2 leaf. Now make 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook and now we will assemble them together. Make sure to assemble flower and leaf here where we made our slip stitch. So we will first place our leaf like this and then we will place our flower here. I'll use the same tail to tie the leaf to the circle. Place this flower here. So in the same gap, pull the yarn to this side. Just arrange them properly. Make 1 or 2 permanent knots. And now trim the excess yarn. Make sure to use the glue to stick this ends here. Now we will stick this here. So add small amount of glue and just paste the pearl and we will attach this. Now we will add the safety pin. I inserted the safety pin like this. Now take the yarn, take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn Make a knot here. And then just tie these two ends and trim the excess yarn. Add some glue here. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.